Welcome to a world where timeless beauty meets refined style. In this video, we're exploring elegant and classic home decor ideas that blend tradition with the latest trends, perfect for anyone looking to create a sophisticated, high-end living space. Whether you're revamping your entire home or just adding a touch of elegance, these ideas will inspire you to design with grace and intention. Defining elegance in home decor. So, what makes a space feel truly elegant? It's all about balance, a curated mix of textures, quality materials, symmetry, and a refined color palette. Think soft neutrals, rich fabrics, timeless furniture, and thoughtful accessories that exude class without being overdone. Classic decor is rooted in tradition, but that doesn't mean it's outdated. The latest trends bring fresh updates to these timeless elements, giving them a modern twist while keeping their sophisticated charm. Classic color palettes that never go out of style. Color is the foundation of elegant design. The go-to palette? Neutrals, creams, taupes, soft grays, and crisp whites. But you can also introduce rich, moody hues like navy, forest green, or deep burgundy to add depth and drama. Accent colors in gold, brass, or matte black can add a luxurious touch without overwhelming the space. The key is to keep it cohesive and subtle. Elegant furniture styles and layouts. When choosing furniture for a classic and elegant home, quality and shape matter most. Opt for pieces with graceful lines, like rolled-arm sofas, tufted chairs, and carved wood accents. Mix antique or vintage-inspired items with more modern silhouettes for a layered and collected look. Focus on symmetry in layouts, and leave plenty of breathing room for a clean, open feel. Textures, materials, and finishes. Elegant decor is all about rich textures and high-quality materials. Incorporate plush velvet, silk, linen, and natural fibers for a luxurious touch. Use wood, marble, and metallic finishes like brushed gold or antique brass to elevate the feel of your space. Don't forget about drapery. Floor-to-ceiling curtains and flowing fabrics instantly add drama and sophistication. Statement lighting and accessories. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to bring elegance into any room. Consider chandeliers, crystal fixtures, or vintage-inspired sconces that act as focal points. As for decor, less is more. Choose a few impactful pieces, like oversized mirrors, framed artwork, classic sculptures, or curated vignettes on coffee and console tables. Modern trends infused with classic style. Want to stay on trend without losing the timeless vibe? Here are some ideas. Monochrome styling for a clean, sophisticated look. Curved furniture and architectural elements for softness. Muted wallpaper prints and panel molding for texture and depth. Layered lighting and mixed metals for modern elegance. These trends beautifully complement a classic foundation without overwhelming the space. A truly elegant home isn't about excess, it's about intentional choices, timeless design, and creating an environment that feels refined, warm, and effortlessly beautiful. Which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more sophisticated home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.